Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be discussing fungus gnats and what a nuisance they are. It's affecting thousands of people, if not hundreds of thousands of people out there. And today I want to discuss my solution instead of using chemicals and other little bugs to eat the fungus gnat larvae, and it's by using aquarium sand. And it's a simple approach that I heard suggested on the internet about a month ago, and by someone who's a gardener. And so I had this aquarium sand on hand, and I want to put it in this big planter today. It's my passion flower that I brought in last fall, and I already applied it to this whole avocado plant and over a month ago, and it's surviving, it's thriving, it's doing really well. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll show you what I did on this one and how we're going to put it into this one, and let's get to it. So here is my whole avocado that has never been outside, but the fungus gnats were attacking the soil of this plant. And this one, over a month ago, I put in the aquarium sand, and I have not seen any fungus gnats approach the sand. They don't even know what it is. It's kind of granular, like almost like a fine sugar, and therefore they can't penetrate this to get to the soil, which means they can't lay more eggs. How I water this, so I'm using this old vermouth bottle, as I mentioned before, and there's teeny little holes, and I just give it a shake because the water won't come out otherwise, and the water will sit on top of the aquarium sand for a few minutes, but eventually, after a few minutes, it does seep down into the soil below. So you can see it's collecting on the top here, and very slowly, see if I can zoom in just a little bit more. No, that's the max. So over here, it is receding, which means like the water is going in from the edges and it's not exposing the sand. And that's it. In a nutshell, that's it. And bye-bye fungus gnats. And it's simple, it's easy, and very effective. So let's start with the passion flower container and removing the yellow sticky tabs, which really, like as I said, are pointless. They're not doing anything but to catch the little buggers. And we're just going to get my sand here and start pouring it on top, and just start at one side and then work our way around. Try and get into the middle, because you got to cover every inch of the soil. So this is a big planter, and it's going to take most of this bag, if not all. So put a bit more over here and over here. And you could use something like this, like a kitchen spatula, just to distribute the sand around to the edges, because there can't be any soil exposed whatsoever. And if you can do that, you're going to solve your problem of fungus gnats. So around here, like this one is a newly planted from a cutting that I had. And you could also use, what I'm going to use is a kitchen spoon. and just get it around all the edges, cover all the soil, don't leave any soil exposed whatsoever. I'm going to put a bit more over here. And then I'm going to give this passion flower plant a good watering with my vermouth bottle. And keep an eye on this for the next several weeks. And I'll make a follow-up video to this one just to see. See, right now I'm looking at, there's a fungus gnat fly flying around in my face, and he's probably screaming like, "No, get out of here, you're gonna ruin my neighborhood." And it's like, yeah, too bad. So let's get in right to all the edges and pat that down just a little bit. You don't have to compact it. Just let it fill in all the cracks. And there, what did that take? 2 minutes? So now I'm going to water my plant, and you'll see, hopefully, yeah, you can see the water is collecting on the top, but trust me, it won't take long before the water penetrates the aquarium sand, and we'll see how this goes, because with the avocado plant, the fungus fly problem has stopped, and I am expecting it to be the same thing on here. So we got quite a puddle of water growing on the top, because this is the first time I'm putting water on the aquarium sand. It is going to collect. It looks like it's not going to go through, but trust me, it will, because with the avocado plant, it took a couple of waterings before the water saturated the soil quickly. So that's about it. So now I'm just going to leave this. I'll put out a clean sticky trap just to see if the problem has gone away or not, and that's about it. So thanks for spending some time with me on my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, would be very much appreciated. And if you would go ahead and share this video with other friends of yours that have this problem, it would be appreciated. And while you're at it, please do subscribe. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Have a terrific afternoon, terrific evening, and until the next one, bye-bye. Date well over a month when I first started top dressing my passion flower plant with packaged beach sand from my pet store, and my passion flower is really doing quite well, considering we're not getting full light exposure this time of the year here in Canada, but it's really happy. And let's just come down to soil level, and you will see that where there used to be a lot of gnat flies flying around, there are none now. I found the optimal way to water this passion flower is with a old plastic container that was used to be for a spray bottle, and it has quite a large opening at the mouth end, and what I prefer to do is just pour it in really slow and at one end and just let it seep in. And I really like the look of this. It's really going to feed the passion flower quite well, and hopefully you can see the the bubbling here. It's seeping in through the sides, through the middle. And I've never pre-washed this beach sand, and my passion flower seems to like it. And whereas this used to be a heavy breeding ground for the gnat flies, it isn't anymore. So if you're were having doubts about this method before, try it. Try it today, and try one plant and get some beach sand from your local pet store. They sell them in little bags and huge bags, but get yourself a little bag, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And I like the look of this when it dries out. It looks really cool.